Hello, this is Ed Smith from Southern Maryland. Welcome to our site. I am the program creator of the $10 Empire, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of what this program is all about. The idea behind it all is for you to start out with the minimal out-of-pocket and then scale quickly to $1,000 paydays. That's the objective. And we do that with this simple little $10 site. Okay. So as you can see here, you will come on the page, you will read down, it kind of explains what the program is all about. This video that you're watching, of course, is right here. But the idea is simple. We use a $10 site, a one-page $10 site like this that we sell, and you get full commission for it. Okay. We take the proceeds from the sales of this basic site and then upgrade to the pro site, which gives you expanded capabilities. All right. And as you can see here, the price points are $10 and $100. So the goal is you only come out of pocket the initial 10, everything else comes out of your proceeds. Simple as that. And here's how your 1K payday in 48 hours happens. All it takes is 10 sales of the $10 site. So you have 10 sales at $10, gives you $100. You use that to upgrade to the pro. And then what happens is the 10 customers that you have up here will become your 10 customers here, because they're going to want to upgrade to the pro level too, so they can make more money. And then so you have your 10 sales at 100, that gives you $1,000. It can be done in 48 hours. It can be done in less. It can be done in more. Realistically, that 1K in 48 hours is just a goal. It's human nature. We strive. We try to reach a goal. So if we don't have a goal, we kind of, flounder a little bit. So this was set up to give you a goal to reach for 1K in 48 hours. It's not a race. It's not a competition. If it takes you longer than 48 hours, so be it. If it takes you less than 48 hours, good on you. That's not the objective. The whole point here is just to give you something to shoot for so that you'll take action now. The whole idea is to get you to take action now. Okay. So, and again, it's all about the initial 10 sales of the $10 site. And let's not, just to clarify, so there's no confusion, this is not a multi-level type situation. Nothing against those type programs, but this is not one of those. This is a direct sales program. You only make money from the sales that you actually personally make. You don't make any money off anybody else. I don't make any money off you. You don't make any money off the people that you sell to. Okay. It's simply you sell, and then the people that you sell to will naturally come through the same process you came through, and they'll want to upgrade too, so they can make more money. The goal is to make $1,000 in 48 hours or more or less, whatever. It all depends on you. No guarantees of income. As you can see right here, no guarantees of income. It's based on your ethic, your drive, your skill, your work ethic, basically. Okay. But it's very, very doable, and it can be done in 48 hours or less. So basically you will come down to the bottom. When you're ready to go, click this button. A little pop-up window will come up. You fill in the form. Now, understand it says $11 for the site. Okay. There's a $1 fee for the processing that's applied here, but for each sale you make, you get $10 commission. Okay. That's just, unfortunately, the way the system is set up, there has to be a minimum of $1 for whatever reason. I don't really understand it fully, but whatever. It is what it is. So we have to have $1 processing, and then you get the $10 commission on the sale of each site. Okay. So that's how it works. Now, once you do, you complete the purchase form, you'll come to a page like this. It says, thank you for your purchase. And then, the clock is ticking. So it's about taking action. The clock is ticking. All right. So what you need to do is become an affiliate, so you can get the sales commission, the 100% commission on the $10 sale. Okay. So each site costs $10. You get $10, and you click this button to sign up to be an affiliate. And you click the button, a little window comes up. Ignore the oops box. That's on my view only. Yours will have an active affiliate sign up box, so don't worry about it. Just keep pressing on. But basically it says you click this button to sign up as an affiliate, and then you start earning the $10 commission. Here, the next step is our support group. click this to join the support group. It's a Facebook group, and in the group, it basically you can ask questions, you can get tips from other marketers, you can network with other people inside the group. That's kind of how it works. And then the final step, the idea is that you only come out of pocket the initial purchase, okay? Everything else comes out of the proceeds from your sales. So for each sale, you get 10 bucks, 10 sales is $100, and then you will upgrade here to the pro level. And it costs $100 to upgrade to the pro. When you upgrade to the pro, you get essentially the done for you business in a box that you can use from that point to make an exponential amount of money online with the tools that you're going to get in the pro package. Okay. You're going to get two completely done for you sales funnels, follow-up email templates, and then also additional training and support to go along with that. Okay. And the same concept, you click this button and then the little box comes up and you make your purchase. All right. So from here, once you make that, and you do this, you have to bookmark this page. So whatever browser you're using, if you're using Google Chrome, if you're using Explorer, Firefox, whatever, save this page as a favorite, bookmark it so that you can come back to it once you've made the 10 sales and you have your $100 and you can click and go pro. Or an alternative is, you're going to get your 10 sales and you can get your money back. If you have the 100 and you're ready to go ahead and click the button upgrade. Your call how you do that. But the idea is that you don't have to do anything else out of pocket other than the initial purchase. But you're free to do it how you want to. Okay, that's just a tip for you. So once you do that, it'll bring you to the pro thank you page. And this is where it says rubber meets the road. The bottom line is you read through this again. And the idea is the 10 initial sales that you made at the $10 level, you're going to get, those 10 people as your 10 customers of the pro level. And with the pro level, you're going to receive 100% commission again. And so there it is. You get more money without doing extra work. Okay. So along with this upgrade, the person who made the sale to you is going to send you another sheet that's going to have information about the 2 sales funnels, how to set them up, what they look like. And I'll show you what they look like here in a second. But you can do so many things with these 2 sales funnels. Okay. You have several options, as it says here. You can market them, the programs that are already attached, which is, recommended. Those are 2 phenomenal programs that are associated with the funnels already built in. Or you can edit the funnels and then market other offers that you may have. Like if you let's say you're in a health and wellness company or whatever, or you're an artist or something, you want to showcase your products or services, you can use those funnels. You can just tweak them, and to tweak stuff is all drag and drop, point and click, and there'll be training inside the group on how to do that. But you can edit them and then market whatever you want to market. Or third option, you can market that as a sales funnel builder online. You can market to other marketers, other business owners. And a lot of people don't have the skill set to build a sales funnel or build a website for that matter. So you now become the resident expert, and you're showing them how to, or you're going to sell to them your services of building a sales funnel for them. So, and with that, you can charge whatever amount you choose to charge. I mean, it's people pay huge dollars for a sales funnel. And in fact, let me jump on a site. There's a freelance site called Fiverr, Fiverr.com. So you go to Fiverr.com, just to give you an example and to show you that there is a lucrative market for sales funnel building. Okay. So if you go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, and then you can, in the search bar, type in sales funnel. Let's do that. Okay. Sales funnel, and then hit search. These are all the freelance people that are offering to build sales funnels for people. And you can see the starting range is like $10, starting at $145, starting at 185, starting at 135, you know, and these are starting points, and they go up from there. Here, starting at 500, but you know, you get what you pay for. That's kind of the gist of it. 285. So you can see there's a wide range of starting points. $100 here, a wide range of starting points, and then it just goes up from there. So there is a lucrative market for people in need of a sales funnel. So you can realistically make a boatload of additional money if you choose to exercise option 3 and market yourself as a online sales funnel builder to local marketers or business owners, people you know who are in business that need a website or a funnel. Okay, so the options are endless. Basically, what it boils down to, it's up to your imagination. This is a complete business in a box. You have the ability to go as far as you want to go. You also get, so these are 2 sales funnels you get. Okay, the first one looks like this. It's about a financial services program. The first page is what's called a lead capture page, and basically it's exactly what it says. People put in their name and so and email, and then you get the information. Okay, it leads to, this is a slick little button that pops up. If a person tries to leave the site without actually filling information, it'll come up and say, hey, what are you doing? Just a reminder, you know. So it's just another way to get their attention. But basically, it leads to a site like this that has a welcome message and then information about the program itself. This is a great program. Is the business side of it. The services are great. Don't get me wrong. These are about personal financial services. They are phenomenal. But the business side of it is just out of this world, I'm telling you. And this is information about how the payment works, how you get paid for referrals. Okay, so that's the first capture page that comes with your pro upgrade. And then the second one is in a legal services program. Same concept. You have a lead capture page, you know, and then in the same way a button pops up, just like that. And then you get, information page, talks about the services, talks about how you get paid. And that's that. Testimonials and stuff down here. So that's that. And again, all of this is editable. You can change everything on this page if you want to. It's all point and click, drag and drop. And you would do that inside a system called Kartra. In order to get these pages, you're going to have to sign up for a software program called Kartra. You get a 14-day trial for $1. And then after that, it's $99 a month. And that'll be explained on the other page once you complete your upgrade. But the cool part is, when you sign up for Kartra, you also sign up to be an affiliate of Kartra. Okay, so when people come through your funnel and they sign up and upgrade to Pro, and you send them information, you're going to send them your referral link for Kartra. So with Kartra, you get 40% commission on the $99 a month fee. So that's recurring. So you'll get 40% every month. Okay, so with 3 referrals, your Kartra is paid for. So realistically, Kartra is paying for itself. So it's going to cost you nothing to have the software program. So it's kind of a win-win, So you get the software program. The person who sold you the upgrade will push these funnels to you. And then you're ready to rock. Just go into the software, make some edits, and you are all set. And there'll be video training inside the support group on how to do all that stuff. So that's it. That's the program in a nutshell. If you have any questions, post them in the group or get back with the person who brought you here, and we'll take care of you. So with that, we're going to punch out. Scroll on down to the bottom, click the button, get started. Let's go. All right, take care.